perfect competition is a market system in which several companies sell comparable items and profits are almost non-existent owing to intense rivalry. With that stated, it's vital to remember that ideal competition is a theoretical concept that's used to compare real-world marketplaces. Although ideal competition is predicated on a number of assumptions that are seldom met in reality, there are a few situations that come close to this. With that stated, ideal markets have a number of essential traits that distinguish them from other types of markets. There are five fundamental qualities of a perfect competition. Many competing firms sell homogeneous products at the same time, resulting in an equal market share. Buyers and sellers have access to perfect information, enough information to make an informed decision. There are low barriers of entry and exit, and we can consider a market to be completely competitive if these features are present. There are numerous buyers and sellers in a completely competitive market. Firms are said to be price takers as a result of this. In other words, the company must sell at an equilibrium price, which is the price at which supply and demand are equal. They will go out of business if they do not, as there are many other companies who provide the same product for a lesser price. As a consequence, moving to a substitute item is relatively inexpensive for buyers. An example of a homogeneous product is dairy milk, is a good illustration of this. Many farmers sell milk to supermarkets. For example, although the product is remarkably similar, in reality, supermarkets often renegotiate their contracts with dairy producers without informing their customers. Because enterprises are unable to compete on pricing, competitors have a comparable market share. There is no space for price reductions since enterprises produce where marginal revenue equals marginal cost. The consumer is aware that a store down the street sells the same goods for a lesser price. As a result, companies are hesitant to raise prices in order to overtake the competition. Additionally, buyers are aware of a product's quality. For example, one company may cut expenditures in order to deliver a lower quality product and increase profits. Customers will realize the product is substandard since they have complete knowledge. As a result of this, they will migrate to competitors, thereby putting the original company out of business. Companies can enter and exit the market at a low cost. This might take the shape of monetary, time, or knowledge resources. The oil and gas businesses, for example, necessitates a significant upfront investment. As a result, rivals face a significant barrier to entrance. These expenses do not exist or a small number of firms under perfect competition.